good and you say you've changed, but boy, you know you're begging, don't fool me, because to you, it's just a game. So let me on down. This time has made me strong. I'm starting to move on. I'm gonna say this now. Your chance has come and gone, and you know it's just a little too late, a little too wrong, and I can't wait for you know all the right now. It's just a little too late. I hear what you're not saying. It's driving me crazy. It's like we stopped breathing in this room. We're both the last to be leaving. I know what you're thinking. I wish you'd make your move. It's much too quiet in here. I wanna disappear. I'm hearing myself thinking too clear. It's too quiet in here. Make it all go away. Why can't we break this silence finally? It's like you know where I'm going. You follow me home, but I never invite you inside. I say what you're not showing. I've got you alone, but the air is so still, it's weird. It's too quiet in here. I wanna disappear. I'm hearing myself thinking too clear. It's too quiet in here. Make it all go away. Why can't we break this silence finally? Don't stop telling me goodnight. Just promise you'll kiss me goodbye. What's taking so long? Don't tell me you're not gonna try. The tension's building in my mind. I wanna scream and I know why. It's much too quiet in here. I wanna disappear. I'm hearing myself thinking too clear. It's too quiet in here. Make it all go away. Why can't we break this silence finally? Make it all go away. It's so quiet in here. You speak to me, and in your words I hear a melody. But in the twilight it's so hard to see what's wrong for me. I can't resist until you give the truth a